Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Earth Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how we can reset the beginner guide. So for the first we have to click on this button to rise the screen. Right now we have to open the notification bar, go on the right side, click on the settings, and here we have to select the general. And when we scroll down at the bottom of the list, right here, we got the reset beginner guide, so click on it, tap confirm. And right now, when you are going to turn off the camera, and then when we are going to turn it on, we'll be able to get our beginner guide one more time. So here we can go for the next steps and just finished. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.